we visited a particular school and looked at Class 8, which had 4 divisions: A, B, C and D. And we had to find the number of boys and girls in each division. This is the data we found: 30 boys and 20 girls in Division A, 35 boys and 35 girls in Division B, and the list goes on. We are supposed to draw a percentage bar diagram to represent the percentage of boys and girls in each division. How would it look on the axis? Let's have the percentage on the y-axis and divisions on the x-axis. Let's say this is 100%. Each of the bars which represent the divisions will be 100% long. And within this 100%, we have to make divisions of boys and girls. In Division A, the percentage of boys is more. It means that a higher portion of this bar will be used to represent boys. The number of boys and girls in Division B is the same. It tells us that this bar would be divided equally, 50% for the boys and 50% for the girls. The shaded portion represents the percentage of boys in that particular division. And this is how it will look for the other 2 bars. Of course, there is a way in which we construct it. To find the percentage of any part, the first thing we need to do is find out the total sum of all the categories, and then find the percentage of one part of each category. So we first find the total number of students in each of the divisions. 30 plus 20 is 50, 35 plus 35 is 70, 42 plus 18 is 60, and 22 plus 28 is 50. Next, we find the percentage of any one part of each category. So let us find the percentage of boys in every category. In Division A, there are 50 students, out of which 30 are boys. So the percentage will be 30 by 50 multiplied by 100. Number of boys divided by the total number of students multiplied by 100. That will equal 60%. I will erase this as we also have to accommodate the graph in this area. So in Division A, 60% of the students are boys. And we find out the percentage of any one because then finding the percentage of the other is very simple. For example, in Division A, as the percentage of boys is 60, the percentage of girls will have to be 40. In Division B, the total number of students are 70 and the number of boys are 35. So the percentage of boys would be 35 by 70 multiplied by 100, which is 50%. And for Division C, the percentage of boys will be 42 by 60 multiplied by 100, which is 70. And for Division D, the percentage of boys will be 22 by 50 multiplied by 100, which is 44. Once the percentage for one part of each of the categories is found out, our task becomes extremely simple. We take a graph paper and draw the XY axis on it. The scale on percentage bar diagrams is generally the same every time. We take a scale of 1 centimeter equal to 10% on the y-axis. So we have the percentage on the y-axis and the divisions A, B, C and D on the x-axis. So we mark points on the y-axis like this: 10, 20, 30, up to 100%. In the percentage bar graphs, the bars are all of the same heights. So for 4 divisions, we draw 4 bars of length 10 centimeters each. 1 bar for each division. And to represent the percentages, we draw the shaded and unshaded regions. But first, we need to mention which region represents what category. Let the shaded region represent boys and let the unshaded region represent girls. In Division A, boys represent 60% of the class. So we draw a shaded bar 6 centimeters long inside the first bar. For Division B, since the percentage of boys is 50, we draw a shaded bar 5 centimeters long. Remember, 1 centimeter is 10%. And similarly, for divisions C and D, we draw bars of length 7 and 4.4 centimeters respectively. 4.4 is 4 centimeters and 4 millimeters. The main takeaway is, even though the total number of students in each class is different, the lengths of the bars remain the same.